Does your lawn look like this? Or this? Do your neighbors look at you like this? Are you tired of difficult to use hand tools? Or herbicides capable of ravaging the environment? Well, worry no more, because the Ames Stand-Up Weeder is here to save the day. Equipped with a T-shaped handle, footstep, and slide action ejector, the Ames Stand-Up Weeder makes weed pulling faster and easier. All you have to do is follow 3 simple steps. Number 1, step down while directly over the weed. Then That's right. The Ames Stand-Up Weeder may increase your productivity to, say, your ordinary hand tool, but it may not be easy as using as you may think. So let's rewind a bit. The first step is to center the spikes directly over the weed and step down using the footstep. It's really important that you get it centered, otherwise you will miss the root. Another important consideration is how far to step down. For smaller weeds, you only need to apply a small amount of force. However, for bigger weeds, stepping down harder will ensure you reach the bottom of the roots. The second step is to twist and pull the weed out of the ground. The twisting shouldn't be exaggerated. All you need is a quarter turn twist and then pull up using the handle. In addition to the weed will be a chunk of soil. This will leave a hole in the ground that may help to aerate your soil. The third and final step is to slide the ejector for easy release. The slider uses a metal plunger that pushes through the weed and dirt. The softness of the soil, and more importantly, the depth at which you step down, play a big role in how much effort you need to exert when pushing the slider. In most cases, you don't need to step down too far, which makes ejecting a piece of cake and only takes a second. However, if you step down all the way and the soil is dry and compact, you might notice that unless you're The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, trying to slide the ejector can be extremely tough and strenuous on your shoulder. This can sometimes take up to 3 seconds or longer, especially if you have to readjust for better grip. So here are 2 tips that might help you for those larger weeds. One is to try sliding in pulses to jostle and loosen the soil before pushing through all the way. The second, which is my go-to, is to brute force it. Nani? So what do I think? Well, based on a scale from 1 to 10, here's how I would rate it. For performance, I give it a 9. The footstep and handle are very useful design functions that make stepping down into the soil and pulling up very easy. Another plus is the steel and polymer construction, which make it durable and lightweight. I can pick it up and walk with it using only one hand. While the slide action ejector is a cool feature that makes weed removal fast and fashionable, the repetitive sliding can be tough on the shoulder, which brings us to our next category. For productivity, I give it an 8. When pulling out weeds like dandelions, the Ames Stand-Up Weeder is a huge boost to productivity. But for more shallow-rooted weeds like nutsedge, it doesn't add too much productive value compared to, say, your ordinary hand tool. There's also a small learning curve associated with getting a feel for how far to step down. If you were to ask me what I would rate this after my first use, I would give it a 7. This is because I spent most of the time fiercely trying to eject the weeds with brute force. It wasn't until later on that I realized that I could achieve the same results by stepping down gently. Once I understood this and developed a natural feel for the process, my productivity shot through the roof. For price, I give it an 8. At the time of this review, I bought it for $32.98 from Home Depot, which prices it comfortably as a mid-tier stand-up weeder. However, from a productivity standpoint, I do think it was priced a little bit more on the expensive side, but with that premium, you do get a more durable and well-built product. If the price were around $25, I probably would have bumped the rating up to a 9. Only time will tell if it holds up, but after several uses, I don't see it wearing down anytime soon. So with an overall score of 25 out of 30, I give this product a smirk of approval. It's a tad bit expensive for my taste, but it's no doubt a great and well-built product that I am happy to add to my arsenal of yard work tools. I would recommend this product to anyone wanting to upgrade from a smaller weed tool or from a less durable weeder. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Also, if you like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and go out there and conquer those weeds. Peace.